So in today's video, we're going to cover troubleshooting and 4 common things when somebody's having a problem that usually falls into these 4 items. If this is happening to you, the problem is that your pressure is not set correctly. As you can see, I've got heavy, medium, and light all in the same pattern. What's happening is my pressure, if we take a look down here, so if you'll notice on this gauge, it says 60 PSI, but when I pull the trigger, it drops down in the 30 range. So we don't have 60 like we need for orange peel. So what we need to do is pull the trigger and set the pressure. By pulling the trigger and setting the pressure, when the compressor stops, you'll see that I'm going to be up around 90, but when I pull it, it drops to 60, and that's what we want. A flowing pressure of 60 with the air flowing 60 PSI. Now what I'm going to do at 60 PSI, I'm going to spray texture around this pattern that we did earlier and watch the difference. So now you have what's in the middle close to a knockdown texture, but on the outside orange peel. That's the difference between setting the gun at 60 PSI with the air flowing and setting it at 60 PSI without the air flowing. So when you're shooting your texture pattern, does this happen to you? Notice that I've got lines of texture with light areas in between. The reason that you're having that problem is that you're going straight back and forth in your pattern. What's much, much better is about an 8-inch circle that you blend into the next line, and we just continually blend, and this is how that works. So as you can see after I sprayed that, this area where I used the small circles, it's blended really nice, and down here that's left over from where I shot initially, you can see the line of no texture in the middle and down here at the bottom, but a couple of lines above where it just didn't blend very well. Small circles, that's the key. So when you get started, are you having this problem? Whoa, what a mess. So as you can see, that's obviously not what we want to have happen. We want to start out, and the question is, why did that happen versus this? And it's very simple. Air first, squeeze the trigger first, and then squeeze the bag. If you squeeze the bag first, it's going to come out in one blast and just go everywhere. So it's a pretty important tip that you don't squeeze the bag until you pull the trigger. Air first, squeeze the bag. So one other item that might be causing you a problem, does this happen to you? If you're standing real close when you start shooting texture, does your texture load up on itself and are you just going through a ton of material at once? The reason for that is that you're too close. The texture doesn't have enough time to separate and spread out. So if you step back to about 3 feet, watch this pattern. So now you can see, instead of it being loaded up here and us wasting a lot of material in a small area, we've got a nice pattern of texture here that may be perfect. You may not have to add any more. If you do, stay back and just spray a little bit more over that same area and add it until it's perfectly matching what's around. If you're too close, you have very little time to match what's on the existing wall. So click here, guys, for other videos on other products that we have and also other instructional videos we have. Just click right over here. No, seriously, click here. Anytime, click here.